How to contact Temu by phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can contact Temu via phone. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have open the application, make sure to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. Now, if you want to contact the Temu team for some reason, all you have to do is tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will find the support icon at the top right corner, right next to settings. Tap on that. Now you will land on the support page. If you are facing any difficulty with the Temu application, you have various help articles. You can simply tap on whichever category it is, then tap on the subcategory and find all the information. However, if you want to directly contact the Temu customer service, tap on the Contact Us option. Here you have the virtual assistant. You can simply request for a customer service agent. Then you can select a topic, and as you can see, a customer support agent has been connected with you. You can simply type in your issue over here. And this is how you can contact Temu by phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.